How to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking your downloads. If Chrome keeps stopping a download or warning you about a file, you can adjust its security settings. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the Settings page, click Privacy and Security, and then select Security. Here, you'll see different safe browsing options. If Enhanced Protection is enabled, Chrome provides stronger protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and files, which can sometimes block a download you trust. If you're sure the file is safe, you can switch to Standard Protection. If the download is still being blocked, you may see the No Protection option. You can temporarily select it and confirm the change. Now, try downloading the file again. If the download works, remember to turn safe browsing back on afterward to keep your browser protected. And that's how you can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.